What's going on, guys? Troy and Mountain Man Treasure here, and we're on the interstate. We're headed to garage sale. So, in my experience, the farther you go out of town, very often the better stuff you get. The fewer competition, the less competition you have, fewer people are there. So we're heading out of town. It's a little place called Clancy. I don't know what to expect out of this garage sale, but it's worth going checking out. It's about a 15-minute drive, so I'll get down there and we'll see what we can find. So that one largely a bust. Grab some Swiffer pads. They sell really well. We'll make a couple bucks. It'll pay for gas. Not much. But let's go see what more trouble we can get into. Didn't see any other sales that really excited me. The one that I was interested in an estate sale was another 20-minute drive south, and I just didn't want to do that today. We actually have some rain coming in, and I just didn't want to hassle with it. So we're going to make a quick trip into the thrift store. This a local thrift store, and I believe this is the half-off weekend. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time in here, but I'm going to go see if I can find something. Spanish Book of Mormon. Maybe. These can be good. Trust stuff being tested here, and you can't return it. So it doesn't work. So weirdly, you'd think this would be great. You can see it. There it is. $119.99 original price, new sealed. We've got 20 on it, half off, so it's 10. There's only one new one listed for $100. None sold. There's a used for like $15.95. So no sell through, but we'll grab it. Basketball, free stuff does sell okay. How about soccer? Once in a while you find a nice vintage shirt in here, unsorted. So that's the haul, guys. A little bit of garage sale, very little bit of garage sale, and some thrifting on a half-off weekend. I think we did okay. I'm very excited. A lot of this stuff is going to be very easy to list, which also makes me very excited. Thanks for tuning in. If this is the kind of stuff that you like, subscribe. Whoa, just had a bug zip past my head. We don't have that all the time, but we do have stuff like this all the time. Garage sales, thrift stores, bolos, what's sold. We do all of that. So if this is the kind of stuff that you like, subscribe down below, hit the thumbs up. That certainly helps me out. Leave a comment. I try to get to as many of those as I can. And thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, guys. We'll see you next time.
Okay, so first off, at that garage sale, like I said, largely a bust, but these Swiffer extra large, they sell very, very well. The top one there is open. I didn't look at how many are in there, but the bottom one is new and sealed, sell for about about 20 bucks. So I think if we add the partially open one, depending on how many are in there, we could make a quick $25, $28 sale on those. I got those for $5. They were asking for $6. I said, would you take an even $5? He said yes. So that's what we got at the garage sale. But check out what we got at the thrift store, because at half-off weekend, we killed it. We'll just start at the bottom and work our way up here. Look at the nice crack on my driveway. No idea on the comps, but it's a cool Metallica shirt. There wasn't even any tag in there, but it looks like an extra large. We'll measure it, but I grabbed that and hoping it's the same size as that one. These are both Metallica, so I could, if they're not great, batch them together and sell them as a lot, but I'd guess 10, 12 bucks a piece maybe. I don't know. This one, the North Face, is a women's medium. The North Face is always good to pick up, especially if you get it for a good price. Again, I guess that's a $15 or $20 shirt. It's in really nice condition. Here we got an Arkansas Razorbacks. This is just like a little kid's jersey, but it looks brand new. So I picked that up. I'm not sure what the comps are on that, but it's going to be pretty good. Down here, these are actually, I only knew what they were because I just picked this up at a garage sale. You may have seen that in the haul. I matched up with the pictures that I had taken, the connectors, and they're exactly the same. So this is a dough mixer from the vintage Sunbeam machine that I got. So now I have two sets of these. I already have one listed, and I picked up a watcher overnight. So these are $15, $20 easily. I think they were 75 cents a piece, but half off. So we got those for 75 cents. That's going to be a nice flip. This thing, Ticket to Ride Europe. Keep an eye out for the Ticket to Ride games. They're very popular, even used. Assuming that it's all there, it's about a $45 game, I believe. So that a really good game. We actually have that one. I enjoy that one. That's a good one. Old flip phones, guys. They still sell. This thing, about 45 bucks. Not bad. This, not fantastic. This is a Sophia the First plush. You might have seen this in one of my previous haul videos or a different one, because we actually sold the one that I found. This exactly the same. I was surprised that it sold as fast as it did. I think it went overseas to the UK, actually. But the reason I picked this up is because I already have a listing. So I can go back and I can sell similar, and I have everything already built in. So I figured, why not pick it up, list it again. How about a pair of Levi's? These are 501 CT, pretty decent size, and they are in fantastic shape. They look basically unworn. Those are going to be a nice flip. Over here, I think you saw this in the store. We didn't get a lot of footage in the store. They blare their music, so I didn't get much in there, but no solds on this in the last 3 months, but the only one listed is listed for $100, which makes sense because it's $120 retail. I could list this thing at like 50 bucks, brand new, and mine's going to be the first one to go. So that's what I'm planning on. Radica Big Screen Tetris, that's probably a $20 game. And the reason I don't trust their tested stickers, it's a brand new game and they say tested. So that shows you how much they put into their testing. Okay, and then my big winners, these will sell quickly and pay off our entire trip. We got Wii Sports, guys, and it's half off weekend, the second day of half off weekend, and these were still in the case. I don't know how, especially because look, Wii Sports in a jewel case, and there's another Wii Sports taped to the back. They put them together. We've got two Wii Sports. These have gone down, but they're still 25 bucks a piece, and they're gonna move within a couple of days. So this is gonna almost pay for our entire trip to that thrift store. I've sold Warcraft before, especially with the box. That's going to be a nice flip. And then look, Wii Sports Resort. Didn't open it up, but I think actually the controller might still be in there. It was all taped up, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to take a chance. They had it priced up, but it's half off weekend, so 15 bucks for that. Definitely paid up, but it's going to move, and it'll move quickly, so I'm fine with that. All in, we paid just over $56. It was like $56.37, I think, for all of our thrift store finds. And I think between all of this stuff, we're looking at about $300 in sales. So $250 profit, plus we could throw in $25 there, and we're looking at almost a $300 profit potentially. Not bad. So that's the haul, guys. A little bit of garage sale, very little bit of garage sale, and some thrifting on a half off weekend. I think we did okay. I'm very excited. A lot of this stuff is going to be very easy to list, which also makes me very excited. Thanks for tuning in. If this is the kind of stuff that you like, subscribe. Whoa, just had a bug zip past my head. We don't have that all the time, but we do have stuff like this all the time. Garage sales, thrift stores, bolos, what's sold. We do all of that. So if this is the kind of stuff that you like, subscribe down below, hit the thumbs up. That certainly helps me out. Leave a comment. I try to get to as many of those as I can. And thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, guys. We'll see you next time.